This is the continuation of OCD with the rotary table and the washer. Well, this is tacked onto the video you've just been watching of me over on the kitchen island. My rotary table, 3-jot chuck, gauge block. This, yeah, because of a matter of approximately 14 degrees misalignment between one 3-jaw chuck jaw and the closest cardinal point on my rotary table. Excuse me. The closest, one that, unscrew a little bit. 5/1000 of an inch is too much. 2.5's not enough. So I'm gonna need to be able to shim it like neighborhood of 3 to 4 thousandths. No problem. I'll just go and get a piece of my 3,000 shim stock off the shelf. Go snap, snap. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Shim stock costs money. If I had money, would I be making stuff? No. I mean, I'd be owning a company and paying people to make the stuff. I come in and do a prototype, push it across the bench and pretty it up, put it into production. I go eat lunch with, one of the money guys, After lunch, I'd sign paychecks. I'd be at the country club by 3 o'clock to, get in 9 before cocktail hour. I wouldn't be wasting my valuable time actually making it myself. No. Why? Why? Really, why? And 1999, I had a set of Wahia screwdrivers. They have that hex shank. It's smaller than a 1/4 inch. And nice handles and ratchets and all kinds of straight Phillips and Torx and anti-tamper Torx and all kinds of bits, right? There was one in the set I had that was the close metric almost to the one that belonged in the set. I lived behind the back of Napa Auto Parts. Rather than spend the time trying to get a set replaced or a replacement part, I went to Napa and I found the Torx I needed. It was a 1/4 inch shank. Oh well, I'll just grind them flats down. I got a rotary table, a 3-jaw chuck. Didn't line up. Well, it had to fit the handle. So those 6 flats that I ground down from, a 1/4 inch hex size are approximately 14 degrees off. Perfect fit. I mean, I fit, that hex to the handle like to 1,000. I mean, it's using a diamond cup wheel, squirting Croyle on it. beautifully machined. 14 degrees off kilter. I know my friend Stefan Gutzewinter, he wouldn't have that. I don't think there's a guy who's in those 2 and 3 man jungle videos where they make a house out of mud and sticks, water purification out of mud and sticks and fire, you know. I don't even think there's one of those guys who do just crude to except 14 degrees off, you know. If his mud hut was 14 degrees off, he'd be banging his head against the nearest rock, you know, try and get his semicircular canals straightened. And another reason why I was showing you this, I got stalled on my zero adjust hand wheel collars for my shear line machinery because frankly the PVC I was using is the wrong plastic to begin with. And it's old, so you know its volatiles have been, you know, outgassing. I decided white Delrin, nice and slippy, so if I do the machining right, it can go on and do the slip stick, stay where I put it or when I put it, but I don't have to have a screw. But if I do, I've got some styrene and a tap and die set. Styrene screw through Delrin collar. I mean, it's not one of the nylon Allen screws you can order. I got one or two of them in my box of bolts. Or is it the fruit bowl full of nuts, bolts, screws, washers, springs? You know. Anyway. If you're working with a shear line, kind of rotary table and 3-jaw chuck, and you're banging your head against the wall because not one of them 3 jaws will line up on any of those 4 compass rose points, cardinal points, whatever, 0, 90, 180, 270. You find the closest one where you just back off a little bit. Do your metrology for your angular, and then you do your calculating, you know, your trig and your algebra. Then you ask someone who really good at the high tempo Martian mathematics to help you. Or you do it the old-fashioned way. Piece of 1,000ths, piece of 2,000ths, a piece of 3,000ths, shin stocks. Experiment with how you stack them up. Well, anyway, this exercise at OCD is on hold.